Did you know one man came closer to defeating Julius Caesar than almost anyone in history, and almost no one knows his name? His name was Vercingetorix. He was a young Gallic chieftain who did something remarkable in 52 BCE. He united dozens of warring tribes across Gaul into a single army. No one had ever managed that before. He burned his own towns so Caesar's troops couldn't eat. He hit supply lines, avoided open battles, and forced Rome's greatest general onto the back foot. Caesar was struggling, badly. But then came the siege of Alesia. Caesar surrounded the fortress. Vercingetorix was trapped inside with his people starving, so he made a choice. He put on his finest armor, rode out alone, and dropped his weapons at Caesar's feet. A surrender meant to spare his people further suffering. Caesar kept him alive for 6 years, not out of mercy. He needed him for the victory parade in Rome. The moment it ended, he had him executed. A genius, a sacrifice, and a deliberate humiliation. That was his entire story.